Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by placing the empty bobbin on the winding spindle and securing the thread on the spool pin. This gives steady feed. Thread the guide for winding so tension is even. Uneven tension creates loops. Once done, pass thread through the bobbin winding hole or notch and hold the tail. Power the machine or foot pedal briefly to seat the thread. Stop when bobbin is 75–90% full so it still rotates freely. With the bobbin wound, you now place it into the bobbin case or drop-in well, matching the correct orientation. This controls stitch formation. Thread the bobbin through the tension spring or slot. This route creates proper tension for the bottom stitch. Once threaded, draw the upper thread down to pick up the bobbin thread. Slowly turn the handwheel to verify the hook catches the thread. Make sure the bobbin spins smoothly. Any resistance means reseat or clean lint first. Finally, hold the upper thread and turn the handwheel toward you until the needle picks up the bobbin thread. Pull both threads to the back under the presser foot so they feed smoothly. Trim tails to about 3–4 cm to prevent tangles and lower the presser foot before use so tension is correct. If stitches look uneven or loop on the underside, recheck bobbin orientation and lint buildup. Clean, reseat the bobbin, and retest on scrap fabric to resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.